Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 4 of our video series in which we are learning the names of different jobs and occupations in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 3 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So now let's start with the 4th part. First comes the Korean word for pilot, and that is 조종사. 조종사. Okay, next let's see the Korean word for blacksmith, and that is 대장장이. 대장장이. Okay, here comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for security guard, and that is 경비원. 경비원. Okay, now let's see how you're going to say artist in Korean language, and artist is 예술가. 예술가. Okay, here comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for a psychologist, and psychologist in Korean is 심리학자. 심리학자. Okay, now let's see the next one, and that is the Korean word for tailor, and tailor is 재단사. 재단사. Next, let's see how we are going to say director in Korean language, and director is called 감독. 감독. Next comes the Korean word for social worker, and that is 사회복지사. 사회복지사. Now let's see the next one, and that is the Korean word for barber, and barber in Korean is called 이발사. 이발사. And the last one is the Korean word for optician, and that is 안경사. 안경사. Okay, so today we learned the names of 10 different jobs and occupations in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.